An electrical shrewd grass trimmer is all you really want in the event that you can't stand the smell of gas and believe a cleaner option should internal combustion lawnmowers. There's no question that advanced electric lawnmowers produce less commotion, produce less exhaust, and are every now and again easier to utilize and keep up with, not at all like internal combustion renditions. Today we will discuss such yard cutter that is strong, calm, and easy to utilize. The best PowerSmart lawn mower links are given in the description box. Number 1. PowerSmart 21-inch DB2194 Gas Lawnmower. This PowerSmart lawnmower has a 209cc OHV gas engine and a 21-inch steel mowing deck. It also has a powerful 4-stroke, single-cylinder gas engine which makes it powerful enough to handle even the tallest and toughest grass. This gas lawnmower is equipped with a forced air cooling system that keeps the engine running smoothly, so you can get the job done quickly. Mulching and side discharge. The 3-in-1 side discharge and mulching capability of this lawnmower allow you to spread grass clippings to the side, returning key nutrients to your lawn so your grass can grow healthy and thick. This gas-powered lawnmower has 8-inch rear wheels for easy maneuverability, plus a large capacity 15.9-gallon bag for collecting clippings and a labor-saving design that will help you work more efficiently. Add bagging powerful engine, multiple height adjustments, strong metal deck, more power and features. Advantages: flexible and agile, adjustable cutting depth, quick folding and tidily storage. Number 2. PowerSmart 40 volts cordless lawnmowers. Run about 40 minutes on a single charge with PowerSmart 40V 4.0 Ah battery, cuts 1/3 acre grass. Push button start, low noise level. Minimum assembly required, no gas, no emissions, no maintenance. 17-inch commercial grade steel deck, top 3600 RPM brushless motor, built for long last. Mulching, side discharge, rear bag discharge, 5-position cutting height adjustable, folds compact design. The included 40V 4.0 Ah battery can power all PowerSmart 40 volts outdoor equipment collections. Advantages: easy to assemble, easy to use, lightweight. Number 3. PowerSmart 21-inch 209cc lawnmower. 209cc engine delivers unbeatable power for a better cutting effect. Equipped with recoil starter for easy pull start, 21-in cutting deck, rear wheel drive self-propelled, mow more with less effort, ideal for the sizable yard. This self-propelled mower has a 5-position height adjustment from 1.18 to 3 inches, suitable for all kinds of grasses. Side discharge, mulching capabilities, and rear bag discharge. Use with a rear bag. This machine can clean up dead leaves and grasses while mowing. Advantages: powerful gas engine, cutting depth adjustment, 3-in-1 lawnmower.